God have mercy upon us.
Yo, this so boy Sibitoka. Yeah, ndio anabategeza ati nakuzo mwezi nga 28. Tuinayo free classes about trading au ku Onomo Hotel in Nakasero. Wetugenda okubeera. Remember, a lot of forex traders are going to be there. Basomesa banya basomesa trade abagenda okubeera yo. So come one, come all, come join us so that tubawo ku knowledge esingako in trading. Come and see how money is made. Oshegeera. Gwali na inali jangola wengi bakola musale nakuzo mwezi nga 28 guno mwezi gwenyini kulo mukaaga tugabira ku Onomo Hotel nkidamu muje musuke mula bengi bakola mu cent oshegera era sigala mbagamba it's your boy Sibitoka. Yeah man, you get it. And don't forget HFM, the best broker in the world. Do you know why I say that? Because I have said you just start using my link in bio kena mbukonyo gendo juze shegera kategede owa mundaba ka white ne wenteka ko white liso boli daba ma queen mamio